CHZ basically faces obstruction at 20 cents, which essentially is genuinely huge. CHZ acquired roughly 0.13% inside the especially absolute most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. CHZ, USD pair exchanging beneath EMA, or so they explicitly thought. Chiliz by and large shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The 13th of May 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Chiliz cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and basically in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly really clarified pressing issues. What in a real sense is essentially momentary cost expectation for Chiliz. Generally is CHZ a kind of wise venture, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz support and opposition levels and so on, which generally for the most part is genuinely critical. However, prior to plunging kind of profound into the CHZ specialized examination, sort of really allowed us especially to discuss the truly current economic situation, market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There actually really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,20109,556,157, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The pretty in every practical sense. Complete exchanging volume explicitly sort of stands at $29,326,280,073, genuinely sort of additional appearance how the reasonably kind of all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $29,326,280,073 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33% in a sort of lovely significant manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, which generally is very critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, or so they really thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58. Following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span, which basically fundamentally is very huge. XRP, the really local coin of XRP especially explicitly, is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents, which truly is genuinely critical amazingly. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they basically thought. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an exceptionally descending course for commonly present moment, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. As of now, a sort of broad kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a by and large significant manner. Chiliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span in an especially huge manner. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers sort of commonly become certainly more truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in a very significant manner. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors truly become commonly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that as of now, a genuinely broad in every practical sense negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which truly is very huge. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz fundamentally is at 11 cents, up 0.13% in the beyond 24 hours, and essentially especially has a value change of 15.26% throughout the week, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time period. Or so they thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is $27,799,281.00 while sort of complete market cap came to $736,201,139 USD. So CHZ explicitly faces obstruction at 20 cents in an unobtrusive manner. There explicitly generally are practically 6,975,647,158 in a real sense are available for use out of 8,888,888,888. Actually by and large further appearance how which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, or so they in a real sense thought in an unpretentious way. Chiliz Value Examination CHC Cost Investigation for the 13th of May 2023 inside and in every practical sense. Day-to-day time period especially made sense of beneath, exhibiting how CHC sort of countenances obstruction at 20 cents, which explicitly in a real sense is very critical, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought. We utilize essentially relative strength index, moving really normal assembly and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of basic moving truly normal and dramatic moving decently kind of normal to sort of break down the future development of the Chiliz, exhibiting how Chiliz support and opposition levels and so forth, which in a real sense is very huge. The by and large relative strength file for CHC coin truly generally is at present floating at 28 for 14 days fundamentally truly normal line, which for the most part implies CHC in a real sense is an oversold zone and a pattern pretty inversion truly is conceivable, which certainly truly is very critical in an unpretentious manner. The Chiliz truly has in every practical sense break all its by and large backings levels and things most certainly are not searching in every way that really matters. Great for the crypto market, showing how the all things consider complete exchanging volume explicitly for the most part remains at $29,326,280,073 sort of additional appearance how the all things consider. All out exchanging volume basically remains at $29,326,280,073 in an essentially truly significant manner. As of now, certainly bears in every practical sense are in charge of the market and effectively extremely take CHC cost beneath the significant help level of 17 cents. Pretty further appearance how one-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $27,799,281.00 US dollars, while truly complete market cap came to $736,201,139 USD. So CHC explicitly in every way that really matters faces obstruction at 20 cents in an exceptionally enormous manner. The CHC USD moving commonly certainly normal combination and difference pointer basically is showing a momentary sort of sell truly signal as the MACD line explicitly in a real sense is moving beneath lovely exceptionally signal line which in a real sense for the most part implies basically bears in every way that really matters are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that Chiliz support and obstruction levels and so on in a by and large extremely significant manner. While CHC's Williams % R pointer is at 61.238 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign fundamentally in every practical sense is especially conceivable at this reach, showing how while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span, which explicitly is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. Ends from the specialized examination. The truly by and large pattern of the Chiliz generally in every practical sense is as yet negative, nonetheless. The value activity could explicitly sort of show